guys, I am Surbi and in this video I'll show you how you can draw this beautiful heart mandala. So if you are a beginner then keep watching because I'll be explaining everything in this video. So now let's begin. So first we need to draw a heart. So for that draw a line of 9 centimeter. Then draw a horizontal line and then mark at 2.5 centimeter to start drawing the heart. So now let's draw a heart using these lines. Then make a design inside the heart. Then draw border around the heart because we will make it completely black in the end. Then grab your gel pen and start making all these lines with your black gel pen. Now we need to draw circles for mandala. So grab your compass and put it on the center of the heart and start making some random circles. I am not measuring these circles. Draw a circle and then draw another circle just a little away from the first one. So we will complete drawing all the circles like this. So you need to draw some random circles. Just draw your circles and draw another just a little away from the previous one. And don't make circles in this design. So let's complete drawing these circles. I did not measure these circles, but if you want you can see I made circles like this. Now we will start drawing patterns in our mandala. So if you want you can make your favorite patterns or just follow as I am doing. So let's complete this mandala. now patterns are completed. Let's add some finishing touch. So now this mandala is completed. I only used very simple patterns, so you can also make this. Even if you are a beginner or drawing mandala for the first time, you can try this one. This is the easiest mandala and patterns are also very easy. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section and also tell me what kind of tutorials I should make next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.